Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of healthcare AI and the 10 most prominent trends revolutionizing medicine and healthcare. Artificial intelligence, AI, has been making waves in the healthcare industry, transforming how we approach patient care, diagnosis, treatment, and research. The impact of AI on healthcare cannot be overstated. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, AI has the potential to revolutionize medical practices, improve patient outcomes, and enhance overall efficiency in healthcare systems. Staying updated with the latest technological advancements in medicine is crucial for healthcare professionals to provide the best possible care for their patients. As we explore the 10 most significant trends in healthcare AI, we will uncover the exciting potential benefits that AI brings to the table. From personalized treatment plans to early disease detection, AI has the power to revolutionize healthcare in ways we never thought possible. So please sit back, relax, and delve into healthcare AI together. AI-powered diagnostics. AI is revolutionizing medical diagnostics, bringing unprecedented accuracy and efficiency to procedures. One of the critical advantages of AI in diagnostics is its ability to analyze vast amounts of patient data quickly and accurately, leading to more precise and timely diagnoses. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI can detect patterns and anomalies in medical images, lab results, and patient records that may go unnoticed by human healthcare providers. Specific examples of AI applications in diagnosing diseases abound. For instance, AI-powered imaging analysis can assist radiologists in detecting early signs of cancer and identifying abnormalities in X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans with remarkable accuracy. In addition, AI algorithms can analyze genetic data to predict a patient's risk of developing certain diseases, allowing for proactive interventions and personalized treatment plans. The potential impact of AI diagnostics on patient outcomes is immense. By enabling faster and more accurate diagnoses, AI can help healthcare providers make informed decisions and tailor treatment plans to individual patients' needs. This improves patient outcomes, reduces healthcare costs, and enhances the overall quality of care. With AI-powered diagnostics, the future of healthcare looks brighter than ever before. Personalized treatment plans. AI is crucial in creating customized patient treatment plans by analyzing vast data to tailor treatment strategies to individual needs. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, AI can sift through complex medical records, genetic information, and treatment outcomes to identify patterns and predict the most effective interventions for each patient. This personalized approach allows healthcare providers to deliver targeted therapies more likely to yield positive outcomes and minimize potential side effects. The benefits of personalized medicine in improving patient care are significant. By customizing treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle factors, and medical history, healthcare providers can optimize treatment efficacy and reduce the risk of adverse reactions. Personalized medicine also empowers patients to take a more active role in their healthcare journey, leading to better treatment adherence and overall health outcomes. There are abundant examples of AI-driven treatment customization in healthcare. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze patients' genetic profiles to predict their response to specific medications, helping healthcare providers choose the most effective and well-tolerated treatments. Additionally, AI-powered decision support systems can recommend personalized treatment options based on the patient's individual risk factors and preferences, enhancing the quality of care and patient satisfaction. Remote patient monitoring. AI is pivotal in enabling remote monitoring of patients' health conditions by leveraging advanced technology to collect and analyze real-time health data from patients in their homes. Through wearable devices, sensors, and mobile apps, AI can continuously track vital signs, medication adherence, and other health metrics, providing healthcare providers with valuable insights into a patient's health status without the need for frequent in-person visits. The technology behind remote patient monitoring using AI involves seamlessly integrating data from various sources, such as wearable devices and electronic health records, into AI algorithms to detect trends, anomalies, and potential health risks. By continuously monitoring patients' health data in real time, AI enables early detection of health issues, timely interventions, and personalized care plans tailored to each patient's needs. There are numerous advantages to real-time health tracking for patients and healthcare providers. However, remote patient monitoring also presents challenges and ethical considerations. Issues such as data privacy, security, and the potential for over-reliance on technology must be carefully addressed to ensure the ethical use of AI in remote monitoring. By navigating these challenges thoughtfully, AI-powered remote patient monitoring has the potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery and improve patient outcomes in the digital age. Drug discovery and development. AI is revolutionizing drug discovery and development by accelerating the process of identifying potential drug candidates, by analyzing vast amounts of data. By leveraging machine learning and predictive modeling, AI enables researchers to identify promising drug candidates more efficiently and cost-effectively than traditional methods. In addition to identifying potential drug candidates, AI is crucial in predicting drug interactions and side effects. This predictive capability enhances patient safety and streamlines drug development by flagging potential issues early in the research phase. Furthermore, AI has the potential to streamline the drug development timeline by expediting various stages of the process, from target identification to clinical trials. AI can significantly reduce the time and resources required to bring a new drug to market by automating data analysis, optimizing experimental design, and predicting outcomes. This accelerated timeline benefits pharmaceutical companies by reducing costs and increasing efficiency, and holds promise for patients needing innovative treatments. With AI at the forefront of drug discovery and development, the future of medicine looks brighter than ever. Surgical robotics. Advancements in surgical robotics driven by AI technology have revolutionized the field of surgery, offering unprecedented precision and efficiency in complex procedures. AI-assisted robotic surgeries combine the expertise of skilled surgeons with the precision and skill of robotic systems, resulting in improved patient outcomes. By integrating AI algorithms into robotic surgical platforms, surgeons can perform procedures with enhanced accuracy, reduced invasiveness, and shorter recovery times. Specific examples of AI-powered surgical procedures abound, with robotic systems used in various specialties, including urology, gynecology, and neurosurgery. For instance, AI-assisted robotic prostatectomies have become the standard of care for prostate cancer treatment, allowing for more precise tumor removal and better preservation of surrounding healthy tissue. In gynecology, robotic-assisted hysterectomies offer patients minimally invasive options, with faster recovery times and reduced post-operative pain. Looking ahead, AI's potential for enhancing surgical outcomes is vast. AI algorithms can analyze real-time data during surgery, providing surgeons with valuable insights and decision support to optimize patient care. Additionally, AI-driven predictive modeling can help anticipate potential complications, personalize treatment plans, and improve surgical safety. With AI at the forefront of surgical robotics, the possibilities for advancing surgical techniques and improving patient outcomes are limitless. In addition to detecting and preventing data breaches, AI plays a vital role in ensuring patient confidentiality and compliance with regulations such as HIPAA. By staying ahead of emerging threats and embracing innovative technologies, the healthcare industry can continue to strengthen its data security posture and safeguard patient information in an increasingly digital world. Telemedicine and virtual care. AI is pivotal in expanding telemedicine and virtual care services by enabling remote consultations and monitoring through advanced technologies. AI-powered virtual care platforms leverage machine learning algorithms to facilitate real-time video consultations, remote patient monitoring, and personalized treatment recommendations. By analyzing patient data, symptoms, and medical history, AI can assist healthcare providers in making informed decisions, diagnosing conditions, and delivering quality care to patients from the comfort of their homes. Virtual care services eliminate geographical barriers, reduce travel time and costs, and provide convenient access to healthcare for patients in remote or underserved areas. Moving forward, the future of telemedicine and virtual care lies in harnessing the power of AI to personalize care delivery, optimize treatment outcomes, and improve the overall patient experience. By leveraging AI technologies, healthcare providers can enhance precision, efficiency, and accessibility in patient care, ultimately improving health outcomes and quality of life. As we continue to witness the rapid evolution of AI in healthcare, viewers need to stay informed about the latest developments and innovations in this dynamic field. By keeping abreast of AI trends and advancements, viewers can better understand the potential benefits and challenges of integrating AI into healthcare practices, empowering them to make informed decisions about their health and well-being. I encourage viewers to engage with the video content, ask questions, and explore related topics to deepen their understanding of AI in healthcare. Together, we can embrace AI's transformative power and shape a future where technology and compassion converge to create a healthier, more connected world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of AI in medicine and healthcare.